My experience with dental implants was an unparalleled one. I felt comfortable during the entire process, and I'm very happy with my new smile. I received so many compliments, it's incredible. It gives me great confidence that I can now eat the foods that I want and to smile without any fear. I highly recommend Dr. Constantine to anyone who needs dental implants. I started seeing Dr. Constantine in Parkway Dental Center for my dental implant needs. I had my upper teeth replaced with dental implants. From the first moment I stepped into the office, I felt really comfortable and at ease. Dr. Constantine and his staff took excellent care of me during my initial dental implant consultation. Dr. Constantine explained the procedure thoroughly and customized the dental implant treatment plan to my needs. He patiently listened to my concerns and answered all my questions. I was impressed in how friendly and professional Dr. Constantine was during the entire time.